Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Rajvi studying in class 5th. Today I am going to conduct an interesting science activity. The aim of this activity is to prove that air is needed for burning. For this, I have taken 2 candles, a glass and a matchstick. Now I am going to light up both the candles. Now I am going to cover one of the candle with a glass. Let's see what happens. We can see that the candle covered with glass stops burning after some time, whereas the candle kept outside continues to burn. Hence, this proves that air is needed for burning. Thank you.